Okay, go day class. I'll discuss about this pneumatic circuit because they have practical exercise. They have 2 attempt of the practical exercise in automation 2. They have a background also this panel of circuit. So they have a pneumatic circuit have the following function. Pwede nimo nag-imo ng tanaw ng imong lecture notes. In the lecture notes, electronic switch of symbol na na-discuss naman na. So we going to the pneumatic circuit of electric circuit. Duha man na sila. Is a control system of design of their form of pneumatic circuit is a form of the various of their component cylinder direction of control valve. For example, for the hydraulic control, naana dito doy. Cylinder motor, naana sa barko. In the ship, in the words of Hatzkaber, mooring wains, mugamit na siya. And they have a panel. We go to the forward. Ang term about the discussion must be they have a term, the required of marina. They have a words, same on board the ship. After part, starboard part, or mooring winds in the middle, mooring winds in forward, mooring winds in after in the ship. Either kayong taga kuberta mao may magakuanan kitang taga makina mo nag-maintain. For example, the pneumatic circuit of this mooring winds in after parts on board the ship. They have a trouble or they have a kining alarm. You cannot risk. You cannot operate. Must be reset. Reset. For example, they have a lake. Must be cool immediately in the control room or the duty in the engine room because they have a lack of hydraulic oil. And then you emergency stop, you can stop the motor. They have a words of emergency. Ang taga-dek either boson, he knows already because they have emergency. Parehas ra po na dire sa iyang yung practical exercise here in the PMI. Na-design na karon nga gihimo sa PMI nga same on board the ship. Doon na si emergency shut off parang di mo spread ang iyang oil. Tagadik he knows already what's doing during the emergency. Dili kay siging under dito. For example, katakbo pa rin yung motor of cylinder and then the oil of hydraulic it can spread in the deck. Deck ang tawag na doya. Whereas the lake in the middle of midship or forward or after ship. They have a number of hatch cover asa dapita. For example, 7 ka bodega. Sa bodega 1, 2 or 3, they have a individual motor for hydraulic and they have a pneumatic control and dunay circuit dito, dunay panel. Duna na siya doy. So for example, ang ikuan sa taga-deck alam na nila yon. Sudas ang tawag spray dito sa ilang deck na nagkalat ang oil. Aron waya mo oil pollution and to the sea. It's very dangerous. Must be the cover of flag of this drain of hole. Ang tawag na plug ang imong ibutang and soda as a spread do na to siya gibutang sa supip to ato yung mga pang oil nga pang in case of emergency pang pollution na dito kinahanglan nga ga-inspeksyon daan ang taga PEC ana na dunay rag di na nimo dapat agalawin doon para gyud na sa SOPIC room na ana siya doy ay chemical na ana siya ang utabang mo tulong na lang tayo taga makina that in case of emergency but the motor is already stopped do natoy flag nga ibutang nimo nga guma nga isod nimo sa buho aron di maka labas yung oil go to the sea. So they have a control element. Three-way valves ang gigamit. Pwede mo gamit sa the side of starboard, pwede sa and after, pwede sa forward. Mao na siya ang gigamit niya ang iyang output nga balbula. Three-way ang iyang gigamit. Mahibaw-an na po na nimo kapag mag-onboard ka na doon sa barko. Ang operasyon niya doon sa starboard or sa forward. Why right o left doon sa barko doon ha? That is words of starboard and port side. Kaibaw na ang taga-kubertaan na, ang kitang taga-makina, that's only for the maintenance and the machinery. The logic valve, mao bitaw ang giuna. Ang una ko yung discussion about the design of valve. This is the parts of their automation. And then I send for their automatic valve with katong iyang donay diaphragm. Open, close, because they have a control panel. So, logic valve or the signal process, input element, switch, and bottom sensor. Ang sensor of they have a malfunction to automatic shut off, they have alarm because of they have a sensor. There are switch and button. Imong i-switch, dunay button nimong tuslokon to make a good running condition. They have trouble, the sensor to detect and the machinery or motor. The supply elements, the compressor, air, and receiver. Doon na to. Ang giingon ko, this automatic condition of your about this automation, electric, air, hydraulic, that's any kinds of their function of this automatic that's our supply on board the ship. Emergency flow, the crate of one of the valve control of another valve. Pag abli nimo pag tod nimo og forward, ang katong iyang balbula dito speakers, mo flow of your function to release. Pag tunga, mo stop. Wa siya. Mo stop ang motor, mo stop ang iyang velocity of your this hydraulic. Wa to dito mangusog, mo stop to. Same for the crane. In the panel. They have a circuit, they have a button, they have a switch, and they have a receipt. Pag mo alarm, nagbira og malaking container nga heavy weight, and di niya kaya, maybe this sure connection is need. Kay sure ba ang naga-crane ang gigamit ana pag-load? Onya, ang pag-discharge, for example, sa Africa, o waya mo sure crane, di gamit ka sa inyong hangguan. Naman po sila kanang portable crane sa perto nga mo imong gamiton. Either og di kaya sa imong kuan, pwede man na nimo og depende po og imo ba nang i-bypass. Kay mo pag trip ana na, pwede po nimong bawasan porbida og mga lag. Kay bawo kang nanay capacity of measure of your crane, naman ay capacity, mo alarma man na. Birahaan mag lagsip imong barko, pirahan og 5 ka troso de alarma. Daot ng imong kuanda. Pwede man kamo supervise as the operator of the crane of the estiba ang tawag na doy kanang mga laborer sa pantalan, estiba. Ingaw, that's only 2 lag can use of their crane because you know this vessel that's only not a Panamax size, that's only for this handy size only. Di kay pataka lang bira yung lag doon nga tag 5 troso di mag-alarma doon. Nasira yung kable. Lalo na dito sa Africa. So, this parametric energy flow of the structura is used for now this electric circuit. Ang electric circuit is the voltage of source. Voltage of source causes of current like of battery, power of electric, instant. Direct current. The load of their consumer, power of represent of work done of circuit output without load of not point of having circuit. This is the parts of their automation because this we talking of voltage. Ang voltage ang voltahe diha sa mooring winds, has cover, ang mostly anang ginagamit 440 na doy is very strong current. Why? Dagko ang motor ang gigamit ana doy, dili gagmay. Mo na tandaan nimo. Remember, I discussed already during the maintenance of your or pneumatic or motor must be what? Dili ra kay panel and the panel for control ang imong in the control room. Excuse me. Mao na doy, atos control room ha. Butangin ito man out work. Mao na akong gi-discuss as safety on board the ship. Alternating current, load of this transistor na conducted begins of load of source. Napamangin na blower ng imong panel diha kay aron dili mag-init ang imong mga circuit diha og relay sa imong control na dito yung mga blower ang gigamit. Inductive of their path of this provide direction of their current flow of source. Kita ng mga suga, for example, kita magyapong tig-maintain na, wa mo aputol tong imong terminal sa imong electric power, o niya, gusto kag mo series, usara ka switch, he knows already. Just by, ako may tig-tao-tao ng mga electric, diha. And this is the parts of there's marine engineering, diha ba background of electrical. Human, tapos, o bagyo bitaw sa audit. Lahat ng outlet at saka inlet and suite dito sa bahay, ako binuksan. Why? Tunay tubig na pundo doy. Ayaw sa gamita. Imo na ang limpyuhan. Tabong kayo blackout mag how many days? Imo limpyuhan na because you have a dirty and then na mga lawa diha sa so diha na mga dirty inside. Imo na limpyuhan. Usa nimo pagbalik sa kuryente di wa ya mo dangerous nga naga sa kuryente sa bay. Short circuit unda na. Ablihan na mo na sa tuhong anak. Lain mo itig brass, lain mo itig upo dito. The presence of battery is negative of terminal, positive. Simple. This positive terminal 2 and switch of circuit compressed of their voltage which are their connected load and current will be open circuit voltage and closed circuit voltage. Nagudahan naakay sakyanan, naakay motor, marine engineering ka, palit kag battery dito sa imong motor, ikaw na magtaon kay gibaw na magkag-usay positive o negative. Kanang uban niya nga wa mag-eskwela, ikaw marine ka, he knows what is the sign of terminal of positive. Naana sa battery, makita nimo na dito ga plus. That is means minus, negative sign of your connection. Dili kay magpataka lang po dito bisag nagapalira. Pero itong taon og generator dito sa akong gikuhaan og tubig, balay mag-terminal, puto spark ako ang kadiman mao ang iyang mga koneksyon. Iyang parihara na sir. Paano na parihas yan? Naman ay marka ng kuha mo, positive o negative. Ha? Parehas din ang positive o negative. So, man mo pag resulta na nag-andar, ano mo, generator diha nga, gigamit ni mo diha sa repelled water. Gibali man na mo. Pareha ra daw. Paano? Words nga parehas. Na basaha o na manual doon sa barko dong ha. And the panel. Ha? Di kay magpataka lang ka dito. Pag-ingon nga kuhan, mana. Ang spare parts na ba sa barko? 3 or 2 or 1. Puro na nimo gisira. Before you touch the current, must be test of tester or alternator ni nga na may kurente, di ba shortage? Yan na. Di kay taka lang. Bauman, daot ang bago. Puli na pong bago. Daot yan po. No. Must be checked. Maybe grounded. Why is a broken? Why is a make fire of the new spare parts? Why? Because this automatic condition of your panel. Pag taon pala nimo, pag on pala nimo, pak aso. Why? Grounded. Grounded. Kunya, puli na pong bago. Wala yan mo. Tulo kay spare part on board the ship. Layo pa ang barko kadagan. Di na mo function. Before ka, I experienced before ha. One of electrician. Ingon man siya sa purifier. Okay ra na sik? Basta gaandar. No. This is the position of your motor is reverse. Pwede sukuha sa chief engineer na parent chief engineer. Uli si electrician ay. Huh? This is a new motor and this is connection for this maybe this reverse. Your wrong position of your terminal to put of your motor. This not normal. Must be the position of arrow. Kung iyang position dito ga forward, that is correct. That is ang arrow niya nga gaana siyang forma. Mao na tandaan mo dong. All motors they have an arrow. This is the connection of your shaft, flywheel. Gaana. Karon, ang direksyon sa imong gaana. Karon, ang direksyon that's only for how many minutes and ka-direksyon niya gaana ang motor nimo og tuyo. That is reverse. Sunog ang imong motor. On the few minutes, stop. Wrong position. Maybe your terminal is not correct. Yeah, okay ra na yan. Sik, basta katakbo. Ni aso man na. Wrong. Nag-reverse. Nag-reverse ang motor sa purifier Naog sa electrician. Uli. Disgrasyang si Arbing utang. Kung sa direction, that is the direction of your motor. This automatic position, never mind. After start, stop. Remember new install. Pisan og generator, main engine. You test your main engine after the overhaul. You test. We have a leak. All crew of the engineer, you observe where is leak, where is good temperature, good pressure. Bisag ako sa generator. I observe. Ikuha na music ni mo na dong. Ikuha na, mute na. Kaya discuss ko. So, mao na yung direction. Arrow direction or your motor, gaana, okay na. This correct. You look and the manual. Na may manual lagi insert diya sa panel. Ang giingnan si like reverse ipara. Okay yan. Aso. Tapos bag-og motor. Okay daw kay nagtakbo man. Di na. No. As my experience share of the student must be bisag ana sa imong one. Imong bahay diha naa ka dai kuan imong motor nimo diha sa imong tubig diha sa imong motor nga bomba. Tanawa na imong motor diha. Diha ang arrow of direction. What is the correct? in the pump na unsa insakto nga direksyon dili kay ga reverse kita kang gaaro niya nga gaana imong gibali dito ang imong saksyon dito di nagsigig dagan ti imong motor why nag-distribute ditong tubig why wrong position inlet outlet ang outlet gibutang sa inlet ang inlet gibutang sa outlet sao naman na the impeller to going hot and then the motor is become what? Fire. I hope you understand. Pag init, mo trip by automatic. Alarm on board the ship. Naana. There are plenty motor on board the ship. Motor from the steering, motor from the compressor, motor of this purifier by automatic operation. Compressor, sa dire sa freshwater generator, bomba o freshwater, lobe oil, na motor na doy. 1 and 2 na siya. Ang usa gi-reserve at in case nga pahuwayon, daga na putong usa. Ana, ya, og maintenance na tanawon sa nimo maganda ba kondisyon ng number 2 before ka mo touch. Kayon niya palya po to. Padagana sa how many days? After good condition, no leak, no hot, no smell, good pressure, good temperature. Okay. Now, you prepare all the tools and spare part during the overhaul your motor and pump. Now, you test what is the direction of your motor and then determine. The most important, take out the terminal. You put mark. Para na yung radyo na ano? Cellphone mo ikaw. Basta. Do a lot more of component of connected. Connected way of the end of each other component of connected common of points and other end of connected or another common with the component will be connected of parallel and electrical circuit tapered to parallel direct current. Ang DC do ya direct current. Parallel R equals R plus 1 R plus 2. That is means for parallel resistor and series resistor R1 plus R2. Yan ang connection nila. So now we going to this pneumatic hydraulic electric. Dunay tube, dunay piston, dunay cylinder cap, dunay cylinder head, dunay rod. Ano? Mao na sitasyon nimo makita nimo dire sa PMI. Nani diha. Pag abli nimo gana, the valve is going open. Abli ito. Pareho ra po nang gigamit anang pag-abli anang mga barbula sa amin. Na. Kanang pyromatic aspect of take out ka sa imong bolt sa imong main engine, ang gigamit nila kana hydraulic with air na apoy connected sa ubang mga design na ay mga electric together of electric. Ito nimo dunay motor o mahatag og power sa hydraulic.
Kita ra ba? Di ba ulo? Ulo. Yan na ba yung extra malingkuranan niya? Set mo ang kaluha.
Hydraulic system. Okay, I close this discussion because it's already they have a disturbance from one of the students. It's never answered. Now, which is the type of hydraulic system? You read of your lecture notes. Surveyor of this expired of sample, pneumatic setup. Oh, na siya oil tank. Open and close a system. Closed loop system and closed loop system of difficult diagnose. Troubleshooting repair of component. Okay, I end of this discussion. And thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you kay Saba ng inyong kauban ya. Makibaw mo. Kirin siguro. Sige. I end of this discussion.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.